Confused between GGSIBU and YMCA? Wait before you decide. Just answer this. Do you want a college that's known across the world or one that's mostly recognized in a region? Do you want to study with people from all over the country or mostly from nearby cities? Do you want more options, more colleges, more exposure, or a limited ecosystem? Do you want a wide range of courses to explore or something more restricted? Do you want to be close to Delhi, Noida, Gurgaon, where the real industry action is, or depend mostly on campus exposure? Do you want better placement reach or opportunities that depend heavily on one campus? And beyond academics, do you want competitions, events, networking, constant exposure, or just the basics? Because this choice is not just about a university, it is about the environment you step into, the people you meet, the opportunities you get, and the direction you grow in. And once you see it like that, the answer becomes pretty clear. GGS IPU gives you more exposure, more access, and more possibilities. And then comes the real question: which college under GGS IPU? It is Echelon Institute of Technology, Faridabad.